In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Hostinger server location for 2025. If you're looking to enhance your website's performance by aligning the server location closer to your primary audience, you're in the right place. Now, let's dive into it. First things first, we'll need to head over to the Hostinger website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing Hostinger into the search bar, or by entering the URL directly if you have it on hand. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, you'll want to log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials ready for a seamless experience. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all aspects of your hosting plan. Next, look for an option labeled Ask Kobe on the dashboard. This feature is a handy tool for navigating Hostinger's rich suite of services. Click on it to proceed. Inside Ask Kobe, you'll see a query box. In this box, type Hosting Resources Usage. Doing this will guide you to the necessary resources related to your server settings and provide insights into your current usage and server location. Upon typing Hosting Resources Usage, you'll be presented with a few options. Look for the one that says How to check resource usage on hPanel and click it. This step is crucial as it offers detailed information about your current usage and server performance, allowing you to make informed decisions when choosing a different server location. Here, you will find a comprehensive guide on checking your resource usage in Hostinger. Take a few minutes to read through this documentation. It's designed to give you a deeper understanding of how the resource usage impacts your website's speed and performance, especially if you're thinking about migrating to a server location that better suits your target audience. Once you've gone through the guide, you will have all the insights necessary to decide on the most suitable server location for your specific needs. Remember, choosing a server location that is geographically closer to your primary user base can lead to faster load times and improved user experiences. If you're still uncertain or encounter any difficulties, Hostinger's customer support is just a click away. They offer robust support channels to ensure you're never left in the dark. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to changing your Hostinger server location. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your website operates more efficiently, ultimately improving the experience for your visitors.